Some of them are only dangerous in large quantities, while even trace amounts of others may be detrimental to our health when they find a way inside the human body. Here are 7 natural ways to rid your body of heavy metals. 1. Filter your water. Tap water is more often than not filled with heavy metals and other elements that can build up to toxic levels in the human body. Consider installing a water filtration system or pick up a water filtering pitcher to help clean the impurities from your drinking water. 2. Avoid canned foods. Avoiding food that has been stored in a metal can should be a no-brainer for heavy metal detox. Still, canned goods are an everyday staple in most parts of the world, and you've probably been eating them your whole life under the illusion that they're safe. If you want to cleanse your body of toxic metals, however, you'll need to avoid these foods. Opt for fresh produce whenever possible. Not only will you stop contaminating your body, you'll get more nutrients from fresh foods too. 3. Replace Teflon non-stick cookware. Plastic and canned goods aren't the only kitchen items which deliver toxic metals into our cells. Teflon-coated pots and pans are another big category to be avoided. Replace these with ceramic, cast iron, or glass. 4. Consume more omega-3 fats. Fats have gotten a bad reputation over the past few decades, an unfortunate fact considering that our body needs healthy fats to function properly. Omega-3 fatty acids in particular are also great for detoxifying heavy metals from your cells. Try adding flaxseed, flax oil, or chia seeds to your daily dietary routine in order to help your system flush out harmful compounds. 6. Stay hydrated. Probably the most crucial piece of natural health advice. Staying hydrated is crucial to the proper function of every system in the human body. And when it comes to flushing out toxins, water is absolutely essential. 7. Sweat it out. Now that we've covered hydration, the next step is to move that water and the toxins it carries out of your body ASAP. Schedule some time out of your busy day to help your body sweat it out by relaxing in a steam bath or sauna. This will speed up the detox process. Just remember that you'll need to drink more water to replace what you lose from sweating.